Hi kids, this is Mr. Meyer, Olson Elementary's principal, and I'm here to talk about Olson Elementary's PBIS program. This stands for Positive Behavior Intervention Supports. What is PBIS? PBIS is a program we use at Olson to catch you, the students, when you are making good choices. We all work towards our purpose statement, or what we're trying to do, and that is to help all members of the Olson community act in a respectful, responsible, and safe way so that we can all be successful. We call that white tiger pride. There are three driving questions. What does respectful mean to the Olson community? What does responsible mean to the Olson community? And what does safe mean to the Olson community? Well, our Olson staff have created what we call a white tiger pride behavior matrix. And if you look here on the left-hand side, these are the areas where we all interact with each other. And these are the three ways that we want to act: respectful, responsible, and safe. So let's look at an example. If we're in the hallways, what does respectful mean to act in the hallways? Well, your voice is at arm's length and your bodies are quiet. What does it mean to be responsible? You stay with your class and you walk directly to your destination, which means where you're going. What does it mean to be safe in the hallways? Well, you walk on the right, you stay in line, and you keep your hands, feet, body, and objects to yourself. So, our White Tiger program consists of this. It's a positive incentive program. Positive means things that are good, and incentive means things that you earn that you work for. So, here's how it works. The adults will observe students, and if they see students acting respectfully, responsibly, or safe, they may give a child a white tiger ticket. Now, not all students are going to get one all the time. We just catch things certain times. The adult will fill out the ticket. The bottom half will be sent home where you can talk to your family about what good choice you made. And the top half will be placed into monthly drawings. There'll be 4 students recognized at our rallies, and they will be able to select one of 3 privileges. An example of a privilege would be to use my chair for the day, and then I would have to sit on their chair. That's a very popular one. How do we teach the behavior expectations? Well, the adults are going to model what it's like to act and make good choices. They're also going to review some videos with you in class and have a few mini lessons, and then they're going to talk about it with you and with all of the with your entire class and have classroom discussions. We have White Tiger rallies once a month to celebrate students and staff achievements. The following could be what a rally would look like. Well, I'll start off with welcoming everyone, and then we'll go into our Olson cheer. We'll recognize students who are making good choices on the bus, and then we'll celebrate our 4 winners for the White Tiger Ticket Award. Then we'll have a classroom drawing for the class that is making good choices, and they'll have like maybe an extra 15 minutes to do something special. And then we recognize our Reading Roars Awards for students who've been reading books and filling out slips, and they get drawn, 2 kids per class, and those people will get a book for the month that they get to keep. And then we will celebrate the end with our school song. Also in Olson Elementary, you'll see this posters like this, and this is our behavior matrix. As you can see, it resembles a traffic light. There is green, yellow, and red. Let's look at green. If you are on green, you're doing your personal best and making good choices. If you are on yellow, you're not doing your personal best, but you may need a little bit of a reminder. If you're on red, you're not making very good choices and you might need a timeout or a break. If you take it further, then you might have to go down to the quiet room and discuss this with Mrs. Hauer. If you're sent down to the quiet room, you'll be taking this referral form with you. Mrs. Hauer will look at it, find out what's happening, talk to you, and then you'll make a call home to your family so that we can make good choices and change the behavior. Well, kids, this is all about culture. Culture is what it feels like to be somewhere. Many of you know that my #1 job is to make sure that you are safe. If you feel safe, you're going to take chances in your learning and you're going to learn more. We also want it to be positive. If you feel good about what's happening, you're going to be happy and you're going to make good choices and you're going to learn more. And if we do these things, we're going to have a positive overall experience at school.